Selena, Class 10, Chapter 17, Circle. Exercise 17C, sum number 1. In the given circle with diameter AB, find the value of x. Angle ABD is equal to angle ACD, angle in the same segment. Now, in triangle ABD, angle BAD plus angle ADB plus angle ABD is equal to 180 degree angle of a triangle. Angle ADB is equal to 90 degree angle in a semicircle. Therefore, x plus 90 plus 30 equal to 180 degree. X plus 120 equal to 180 degree. Therefore, x equal to 60 degrees. Sum number 2. In the given figure, ABC is a triangle in which BAC is equal to 30 degree. Show that BC is equal to the radius of circumcircle of a triangle ABC whose center is O. Given triangle ABC, angle A 30 degree. To prove BC is the radius of the circumcircle of triangle ABC whose center is O. It means BO is equal to BC is equal to OC. Proof. Angle BOC is equal to twice angle BAC equal to 2 into 30 degree equal to 60 degree. Now, in triangle OBC, OB is equal to OC. Therefore, angle OBC is equal to angle OCB. Angle OBC plus angle OCB plus angle BOC is equal to 180 degree angles of a triangle. Angle OBC, angle OCB is equal to OBC. So, OBC, BOC is 60 degree equal to 180. 2 angle OBC is equal to 120 degree. Therefore, angle OBC equal to 60 degree. Therefore, all the three angles are equal and they are 60 degree. Therefore, triangle OBC is an equilateral triangle, implies BC is equal to OB is equal to OC, but OB equal to OC is the radii of circumcircle. Therefore, BC is also the radius of the circumcircle. Sum number 3. Prove that the circle drawn on any one of the equal side of an isosceles triangle as diameter bisects the base. Given triangle ABC such that AB is equal to AC. And with AB as a diameter drawn a circle which intersects side BC at D. Prove D is the midpoint of BC. Construction joint AD. Proof angle 1 equal to 90 degree angle in a semicircle. Angle 1 plus angle 2 is equal to 180 degree linear pair. Therefore, angle 2 equal to 90 degree. Now, write triangle ABD and ACD. AB is equal to AC given. Side AD is equal to side AD common. And therefore, triangle ABD is congruent to triangle ACD by hypotenuse side criterion of congruency. Therefore, BD is equal to, hence D is midpoint of BC. Sum number 4. In the given figure, chord ED is parallel to diameter AC of the circle. Given angle CBE is equal to 65 degree. Calculate angle DEC. Joint OE and AB. Arc ECD subtends angle EOC at the center and EBC at the remaining part of the circle. Therefore, angle EOC is equal to twice angle EBC, which is equal to 2 into 65 equal to 130 degree. Therefore, angle EOC is equal to 130 degree. Now, in triangle OEC, OE is equal to OC, radii of the same circle. Therefore, angle OEC is equal to angle OCE, base angles of isosceles triangle. But in triangle OEC, all the three angles sum is 180 degree. Therefore, angle OCE, because these two angles are equal, plus angle OCE plus angles CEOC is equal to 180 degree. Implies 2 angle OCE plus 130 degree is equal to 180 degree. 2 angle OCE is 50 degree. Therefore, angle OCE is 25 degree. AC is parallel to ED. Therefore, angle DEC is equal to angle OCE. Therefore, both are 25 degree. Alternate angles, therefore angle DEC equal to 25 degree. Sum number 5. The quadrilateral formed by an angle bisector of a cyclic quadrilateral is also cyclic. Prove it. Given ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral and quadrilateral PRQS is formed by the angle bisectors of angle ABCD. To prove PRQS is a cyclic quadrilateral, in triangle APD, angle PAD plus angle ADP plus angle AAPD is equal to 180 degree. Let that be equation 1. Similarly, in triangle BQC, angle QBC plus angle BCQ plus angle BQC is equal to 180 degree. Let that be equation 2. Adding 1 and 2, we get angle PAD plus ADP plus QBC plus BCQ plus APD plus BQC is equal to 360 degree. Let that be equation 3. But PAD, ADP plus QBC, BCQ is equal to half of angle ABCD, which is equal to half into 360 degree, which is equal to 180 degree. Okay, we will substitute. Therefore, angle APD plus angle BQC is equal to 360 minus 180 is equal to 180 degree from 3. But these are the sums of opposite angles of quadrilateral PRQS. Therefore, quadrilateral PRQS is a cyclic quadrilateral. Sum number 6. In the figure, angle DBC is 58 degree. BD is the diameter of the circle. Calculate first part angle BDC. DB is the diameter of the circle and angle in a semicircle is right angle. Therefore, angle BCD is 90 degree. Also given angle DBC 58 degree. In triangle BDC, all the three sum angle is 180 degree. Therefore, 58 plus 90 plus angle BDC equal to 180 degree. Therefore, angle BDC is equal to 180 minus 148 equal to 32 degree. Second part, find angle BEC. The opposite angles of cyclic quadrilateral are supplementary. Thus, in cyclic quadrilateral BECD, since angle D is 32 degree, therefore angle BCE plus angle BDC equal to 180 degree. Therefore angle BCE plus 32 equal to 180. Angle BEC is equal to 148 degree. Third part, find angle BAC. In cyclic quadrilateral ABCEC, angle BAC plus angle BEC equal to 180 degree. Therefore, angle BAC is equal to 180 minus 148. Angle BAC equal to 32 degree. Sum number 7. D and E are points on equal sides AB and AC of an isosceles triangle ABC such that AD is equal to AE. Prove that the point BCED are concyclic. Means we have to prove opposite angle sum is 180 degree. Or angle C is equal to angle D, angle B is equal to angle AED. Given in triangle ABC, AB is equal to AC and D and E are the points on AB and AC such that AD is equal to AE. Prove that BCED are concyclic. Proof. In triangle ABC, AB is equal to AC. Therefore, angle B is equal to angle C, angle opposite to equal side. Similarly, in triangle ADE, AD is equal to AE. Therefore, angle ADE is equal to angle AED, angle opposite to equal side. In triangle ABC, AD upon AB is equal to AE upon AC. Therefore, AD upon AB is equal to AE upon AC. DE is parallel to BC. Therefore, angle ADE is equal to angle B, but B is equal to angle C. Therefore, angle ADE is equal to angle ACB. Opposite angles implies opposite angles are supplementary. Hence, point BCED are concyclic. Sum number 8. In the given figure, ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral. AF is parallel to CB and DA is extended to point E. If angle ADC is equal to 92 degree, angle FAE equal to 20 degree, determine angle BCD. Give reason in support of your answer. In cyclic quadrilateral ABCD, AF is parallel to CD and DA is produced to E such that angle ADC is equal to 92 degree, angle FAE is equal to 20 degree. Angle B plus angle D is equal to 180 degree. Therefore, angle B is equal to 92 plus 92 equal to 180 degree. Angle B equal to 88 degree. Since AF is parallel to CB, angle FAB is equal to angle B, which is equal to 88 degree. But angle FAE is 20 degree. Therefore, external angle BAE is equal to BAF plus FAE, which is equal to 88 plus 20 equal to 108 degree. External angle BAE is equal to angle BCD. Exterior angle of a cyclic quadrilateral is equal to the remote interior angle. Therefore, angle BCD is equal to 108 degrees.